Through the art of science, we harness life-giving potential.
A commitment to transforming the face of cancer medicine.
Overcoming challenges through research without boundaries.
Today we're on the verge of a medical revolution. There's never been a better time for more effective and safer cancer treatment. At CSI Singapore, our mission is to fulfill those goals through the conduct of basic studies that extend all the way to experimental therapeutics. It is a close relationship between the basic scientists and the clinicians that really drive the process of new drug discovery. And we are particularly primed to tackle cancers that are prevalent in Asia by focusing on cancers such as gastric, liver, lung, and breast.
It's really important for us to take a strategic multi-pronged attack on cancer. And by doing this, we can begin to recognize cancer in all of its different areas and focus upon devising better treatments for cancer patients.
Understanding molecular mechanism by which tumor suppressors are deregulated, and one of the tumor suppressors we find to be deregulated by viruses. And this is quite exciting because we can now go back and restore the tumor suppressor, thereby treating the cancer.
Our research involves the study of how specific genes drive cancer progression, as well as also how these genes affect how patients respond to cancer therapy. The facilities at CSI as well as at NUS are of the highest quality and really world-class.
My lab's research is to study how the three-dimensional structure of DNA is affected in cancer. It is just exciting, inspiring, and very rewarding to do the type of research that we are doing.
This is a type of multidisciplinary approach is very important in order to attack cancer in all its complexity and to be able to identify better treatments for cancer patients.
It's been challenging here, but the students, mentors, and supervisors have been extremely encouraging and have taught me a lot throughout my time here. It's definitely a place that I feel inspired and constantly challenged.
Research over the years from our lab have first identified what are these genetic or molecular factors that actually identify patients with poor risk disease. Then, working in the lab, we have focused on these poor risk disease and understand why the patients become resistant to treatment. And upon understanding these mechanisms, then we've gone back to the clinic.
This is CSI Singapore.
ここは CSI シンガポールです。
这是 CSI 新加坡。
C'est le CSI Singapour.
And we will continue to push the envelope of our research. This is the time to make cancer a thing of the past.